Hi guys, so today I'm gonna be showing you how to make this paper tree. This tutorial is very easy. Hope you guys like the video. Please like, share and subscribe and comment down below if you want to see me doing more tutorials. If you want to see how I make this paper deer, please comment down below. So that's it, let's get started. For this project, you'll need a square sheet of paper, a rectangular piece of paper that measures approximately 14 centimeters by 12.5 centimeters. You'll also need scissors and glue. So that's it, let's get started. So guys, first of all, take your square sheet of paper. We're gonna be making this part of the tree. So first of all, fold the paper diagonally on both the sides. Then turn your paper on the other side and fold it in half, and then in half once again. So now you have got 8 sections. So what you're gonna do is fold the paper like this, and then you'll notice that there's this part which you'll fold like this. And then you'll fold the paper like this and fold it again like this. You have probably seen how to do this thing in my origami flapping bird video. So next what you're gonna do is fold these parts in half like this. Yeah, after doing this, what you're gonna do is fold the paper, put the paper on the other side and do the same thing. And next what you're gonna do is fold this side as well like this. Yeah, so after doing this, take your scissors and cut along this line. So this part is basically not required. Yeah, now open up your paper and you'll notice it has a pentagon. So fold it. Yeah, you'll notice that these folds were like this, but we have to fold them inward. So just do this and fold them in. Like this. Do this for all the sides. So guys, after doing this, you'll have to make sure that there are 4 corners of this on each side. Here, there are. Now take your scissors and cut it. Cut it as much as you want, but make sure this line doesn't touch the center. You can only make 4 cuts, and I guess that's enough. So do the same thing. Do the same thing for the other side as well. So guys, look, I'm done. After that, look at this step carefully. Fold this line like this. So guys, look, these creases should touch the end and also this part. Do the same thing for the other side as well. Yeah, like this. After you're done with this, do the same thing on the other side. So guys, I'm also done with the other side. Look, I'm done with both these sides. Next, get this part of the paper. Yeah, this part. Next, you'll also do the same thing for this side and this side. So guys, look, I'm done. After that, open it up a bit on this side and also this side. So guys, look, you already got this upper part of your tree. If you want, you can keep it like this. You can consider this a pine tree, but I like it better with the trunk on. So basically what you're gonna do is roll up the paper like this. Make sure the roll is not too fat or too thin, and then you're gonna glue it. So guys, just glue it up and wait for this to dry. So guys, after this, put the glue here. Make sure it is glued up properly, or else the tree might not glue up well. Now open up this part and put it inside. Some might fiddle. Okay, I guess this is a bit too thick, but don't worry. If you think this height is okay, you can keep it, or if you want the trunk to be a bit shorter like me, you can cut it up as well. Yeah, so I've cut it up. So that's it guys. Hope you guys liked the video. Please like and subscribe and comment down below if you want to see more videos. Bye.